I play digital piano almost every day, and bad headphones ruin the whole experience fast. So I went out and bought 5 popular pairs myself, used them with my piano, my interface, and late-night practice sessions, and figured out which ones actually sound right, feel comfortable, and are worth your money. Product number 1: One Audio Pro 10 Wired Over-Ear Headphones. When I first picked up the One Audio Pro 10, it felt sturdier than I expected for the price. The ear cups are thick and cushy, and once I put them on, they sealed around my ears without squeezing my head. During long digital piano sessions, that comfort mattered a lot. Sound-wise, the bass surprised me. Low notes on the piano had weight, but they didn't overpower the mids. Chords sounded clean, and high notes stayed sharp without getting harsh. I also liked the swivel ear cups. I'd flip one ear back while tweaking settings on my keyboard, and it just worked. The wired setup with both jack sizes was convenient since I didn't need adapters. These are best if you want solid sound, strong bass, and comfort without spending much. After hours of playing, I barely noticed they were on, which made switching to another pair feel like a downgrade immediately. Product number 2: One Audio Pro 10 Wired Over-Ear Headphones. Holding this second One Audio pair, I noticed the same solid plastic build and soft padding, but I tested it mainly for silent night practice. The closed-back design blocked out room noise better than I expected, which kept me focused on my playing. On my digital piano, the sound leaned slightly warm. Bass notes felt full, while mid-range stayed clear enough to hear finger dynamics. The cable felt durable, and having both 3.5 and 1/4-inch ends saved me time when switching gear. I also used the share port to plug in another set, which was handy for quick lessons. These headphones make sense if you're practicing at home and want isolation without fiddling with extra accessories. They're not flashy, but they're reliable, and after using them daily, I trusted them enough to leave them permanently hooked up to my keyboard for evening sessions, when volume control really matters most to me. Product number 3: Sony MDR7506 Professional Headphones. When I grabbed the Sony MDR7506, it immediately felt more professional and rugged in my hands. The folding hinges are tight, and the ear cups clamp just enough to feel secure. Once plugged into my digital piano, the clarity stood out. Every note felt precise, almost analytical, which helped me catch sloppy timing. The long cable gave me freedom to move without yanking the keyboard. High notes were crisp, and the low end stayed controlled rather than boomy. Comfort was decent, though after a couple hours I did notice more pressure than softer models. These are great if you want accuracy over hype and don't mind a studio feel. I'd recommend them for serious practice or recording, especially if hearing every detail matters more than plush comfort during long focus sessions at home with headphones on daily practice. Product number 4: TASCAM TH02 Studio Monitor Headphones. Picking up the TASCAM TH02, the lightweight feel was the first thing I noticed. They don't feel cheap, just simple and practical. The padding is softer than it looks, and once on, they sat comfortably without hot spots. When I played my digital piano through them, the sound felt balanced. Bass was present but not overwhelming, and the highs stayed clear for melodies. I like that they folded up easily since I tossed them in a bag after sessions. The included adapter snapped on tightly and didn't wobble. These worked well for casual practice, podcast editing, and quick recordings. If you're on a tighter budget and want something dependable, these make sense. They won't impress audiophiles, but they're comfortable, sound honest, and didn't distract me from actually playing for longer rehearsals when I just needed reliable monitoring and zero fuss, without thinking about gear at all during piano sessions daily. Product number 5: Yamaha HPH50 Compact Headphones. When I tried the Yamaha HPH50, the compact size stood out right away. They're lighter and smaller than the others, and the swivel cups help them sit naturally on my ears. Plugged into my digital piano, the sound was clean and controlled. They didn't push heavy bass, which I liked for practicing accuracy. Notes felt clear, and the balance made long sessions easy on my ears. The cable length was just right for sitting at a keyboard without tangling. Comfort was better than I expected for a smaller design, even after an hour of scales. These are perfect if you want something simple, portable, and matched to Yamaha gear. I'd recommend them for students or players who value comfort and clarity over big, powerful sound during home practice, where fatigue matters more than volume or deep low end on digital pianos, specifically for daily focused playing sessions at home alone. After testing all 5 with my digital piano, each one fits a different type of player. I've linked them all below so you can check current prices and availability. If you're practicing late or recording at home, the right headphones really do make a difference.